AI chatting with AI, agents communicating, arguing. This is 2026. Wasn't on my bingo card, but it would be wrong on our part to be talking about AI so much and not understanding what you, the Tech 360 community, the loyal, engaged community who writes to us on our social media handles, thank you for that, by the way, and understand what you make of all of this AI communication and gibberish and lingo. So we're going to take to the streets of New Delhi to find out whether you find this spooky, is this concerning, does it worry you, or is this the natural consequence or the flow of things with AI? Very normal circumstances, how you expected 2026 to be. Let's find out.
Do you use any AI platform?
I generally use Gemini nowadays, but before Gemini, I was solely based on ChatGPT.
I use ChatGPT and Gemini.
Obviously, ChatGPT, Grok AI.
So for my requirements, I use there's a portal called FreePick. It has many AIs integrated in one.
Yeah, I'm using ChatGPT.
So I use Perplexity is there, Gemini is there.
ChatGPT for work purpose.
So there's this debate that's going on the news channels as well as social media all across that, AI might surpass human intelligence very soon, and it also might replace, jobs. So are you afraid of that happening?
Personally, I don't think so that AI can replace humans entirely. But talking about human creativity, I do think that human intelligence and human creativity has faced a backlash and a stoppage has become because we are entirely dependent on ChatGPT or AI platforms. I do think that people are dependent. So yes, I on that side of the debate that human creativity, if we are entirely dependent on AI and if we are not thinking and we're not doing things on our own, then then AI will replace humans in that sense.
I don't think so. No, I'm not afraid.
Actually, I'm damn sure that it would.
I don't think that AI might pass humanity, honestly, because at some point you need human emotions. Speaking of content writing, because I had a background of content writing, so you need human emotions in terms of when you're going through websites and content like that. So I believe that AI won't be surpassing humanity, honestly.
Well, the anticipation is there, but I think there is a long way to go. There are a lot of things which AI has to learn. I mean, I use AI for multiple purposes. They make mistakes, and that's a part of the process. I think we are 5 to 10 years away from that challenge.
No, I don't see that AI can overtake humans. AI can only offer intelligence or maybe just a little bit of logic, but human logic is just far superior than AI in any aspect you'll see.
No, it might not. It might not. Since I've been following what is happening in the lawmaking of the AI part, I think there'll be very fast implication of the laws regarding the AI, the usage of AI.
There's also this new news about Moltbook, a social media platform that's only for AI agents, wherein AI agents have created their own accounts and they're talking amongst themselves. And there have been, instances where they've created their own religion. They're talking about humans as if, like how unintelligent humans are. So what is your take on that?
For this, though, I've also not heard. This is something which sounds a little bit out of line. The scary part is getting activated right now. But this is a little scary, yeah.